positive, very familiar, very energetic, and more movement than any other congress I've ever been to.
Brings a lot of people in the grassroots sport movement together, and it so far has been wonderfully hosted here by the city of Madrid.
We need governments to also make longer-term changes in promoting developing urban design, planning urban transport to increase physical activity.
We can make projects that have a much more long lifespan and help people achieve better health outcomes and better social cohesion.
The best thing of this kind of events is the opportunity of sharing experiences with other organizations and with other professionals that work on the same area.